we can discuss today the preparation of alkyl, preparation of alcohol. The first preparation is preparation from alkyl halide. The general formula of alkyl halide is Rx, and when we treat alkyl halide with aqueous solution of potassium hydroxide, we can get primary alcohols. When we use this reaction is basically the nucleophilic substitution reaction. These are classified into two types, SN1 and SN2. In primary alkyl halide gives SN2 reaction, secondary alkyl halide gives SN1, SN2, and tertiary alkyl halide gives only SN1 mechanism. What is SN1? It is substitution nucleophilic unimolecular reaction. It means the rate of this reaction is depend only on the concentration of substrate but independent of the concentration of reagent, that is aqueous potassium hydroxide. The mechanism of SN1 reaction is, this is the general representation of primary alkyl halide. Three alkyl groups are attached with the carbon having halogen atom. The first step is elimination of the leaving group. This X can be eliminated to form the tertiary carbocation. Since the tertiary carbocation is highly stable, and this is called as rate determining step of the reaction. The tertiary carbocation is planar, so the nucleophile, that is hydroxide ion, attack from either A side of the group or from the B side. So there are two possibilities to form the product. One is A, another one is B, in which hydroxyl group at the right and here hydroxyl group at the left, and collectively this is called racemic mixture. What is racemic mixture? It is basically an optically inactive compound which does not rotate the plane polarized light. What is plane polarized light? The light having single wavelength we can call plane polarized light. Now this is SN2. What is SN2? It is substitution nucleophilic bimolecular reaction. Bimolecular reaction. In this reaction, the rate determining step is, this is a single step reaction and this is only the rate determining step of the reaction. For example, this R is methyl group having 3 hydrogen atom. This is the transition state which is formed when the nucleophile attack from back side of the alkyl group to form a transition state. This transition state, the next step is elimination of X, and we can get we see here, if we draw the structure of methyl halide, the X and nucleophile, leaving group and nucleophile are on the opposite side of each other. So the product formed is inversion of configuration. It means the leaving group and the nucleophile position in the nucleophile is opposite to that of the leaving groups. We can call it as inversion of the configuration. In nutshell, what we can say, SN2 reaction gives inversion product or SN1 gives racemic mixtures. Another one, from SN2 we can get primary alcohols, and SN1 we can get tertiary alcohols, right? The second reaction is reaction of aldehyde with aldehyde and ketone with Grignard reagent. Grignard. The general formula of Grignard reagent is RMgX, and it is named after the scientist Victor Grignard. This carbon of the Grignard reagent is nucleophilic carbon because it is more electronegative than the magnesium. So carbon have delta negative charge and magnesium have delta positive charge. When it react with, for example, aldehyde, we can take the aldehyde carbon is delta positive and oxygen is delta negative due to the electronegative difference between the two. This alkyl group attack on this carbon and this oxygen attack on MgX to form an intermediate RCRO MgX H, followed by hydrolysis, and in hydrolysis this bond can be broken to form RCOH, and this is secondary alcohol. From aldehyde what we can get? Secondary alcohol. Aldehyde gives secondary alcohols, and ketones. Similarly, ketone, the general formula of ketone is RCOR. When react with Grignard reagent, what we can get? We can get RC. This R can be attached with this, and magnesium oxygen attached with, get MgX. What we can get? O MgX R followed by hydrolysis, we can get RCOH, and this is tertiary alcohol. Then how we can get primary alcohols? When we, instead of aldehyde, we can take the formaldehyde. Only ketones gives tertiary alcohol, aldehyde gives secondary alcohol, and aldehyde, which aldehyde? That is formaldehyde, HC double bond OH. Formaldehyde gives, when react with RMgX Grignard reagent, we can get primary alcohols. How we can get? From the reaction of formaldehyde with Grignard reagent, we can get primary alcohol. Instead of that, reaction of Grignard reagent with carbon dioxide, what we can get? We can get followed by hydrolysis, we can get carboxylic acid. What we can get? When we react the Grignard reagent with carboxylic acid, we can get carbon dioxide, we can get carboxylic acid, and when we react with formaldehyde, we can get primary alcohols. Another one, hydrolysis of ester. Third is hydrolysis of esters. When this is general formula of ester, RC double bond OR, when react with alcohol, what we can get? We can get, when ester react with acid, we can get ester react with the salts of carboxylic salts of are CH2O, but we can get RCH2OH plus RCOONA. Primary alcohol are also obtained from carboxylic acids. Thank you. Next